In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the fonts in your Microsoft Edge browser to personalize and improve your browsing experience. This is a straightforward process, but with these detailed instructions, you'll be able to do it with confidence. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Edge browser. You can do this by double-clicking the Edge icon on your desktop or by finding it in your Start menu. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 horizontal dots. This is your gateway to a whole host of customization options. Give those 3 dots a click to reveal the drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll see a variety of options that help you tailor your browsing experience. You're looking for settings, so go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new window where all your browser settings reside. It's like your command center for Edge. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see various categories. Here, you'll want to find and click on the Appearance option. This area allows you to modify visual elements of the browser, like themes and toolbar settings, so it fits your personal style. Next, you'll need to scroll down until you see the Fonts section. Click on it to dive into the font settings of your browser. Here, you have the ability to change different types of fonts used throughout web pages, making text easier to read or more aesthetically pleasing according to your tastes. Focus on the option that says Fixed Width Font. This setting is useful because it affects any content that is processed in a typewriter or monospaced font style, used frequently in sections designed for coding, among other things. On the right side of the Fixed Width Font option, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Give it a click. This menu will display a list of fonts available for you to choose from. Take a moment to scroll through and consider what style speaks to you. Maybe you prefer a classic look with Courier New or something more modern. The choice is yours. Once you've found a font that you like, simply click on it to select it. Now that you've selected your preferred fixed width font, you can exit the settings by closing the tab, and your changes will be automatically saved. What's great about these changes is that they update instantly. So the next time you come across any sections of text that utilize fixed width fonts, you'll immediately see your selection in action. And there we have it. You've customized the appearance of your Microsoft Edge browser by changing the fixed width font. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy browsing, and make sure to check back for more tips and tricks to make your browsing smoother and